you're investing in equity, you need to have the expertise to understand the business of the company that you're investing in, how the company is functioning, how the markets are going to impact the functioning of the company. Like today, even the government changing is going to impact every share that you're holding. There are people who've studied, taken that expertise, who we call asset managers. And when you go and give your money to them, they are doing that research for you, they are doing that reading for you, and they are investing your money into those equity shares and giving you a return for that. And they are obviously, a mutual fund takes a fees when you're investing in an equity mutual fund, but you don't have to go through the hassle of कि चलो आज अरे there is a change in the government in Madhya Pradesh, Reliance के shares के भाव टूट गए. Honestly, with the given jobs that we have, it is very difficult to keep a track on every investment that you want to make or you don't want to make. It requires that kind of time and study.